What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Android application development video in Android Studio. In this video we are going to create a list view in our application, and on click of any item in the list view we are going to open another activity. So I can show you the demo at the end of this video. We are going to achieve this one. So this is our list: apple, orange, banana and grapes. When I click on apple, it should open the apple activity, and when I click on orange, it should open the orange activity. So we will achieve this at the end of this video. So let's get started with a new Android Studio project. Select the empty activity and click on next. Give the application name My List View Demo. Give the package name and select Java and minimum Android SDK, that is Lollipop, and click on finish. So once our project is loaded, we have two main files, that are main.activity.java and activity.main.xml. So we are designing on activity.main.xml. Click on the split over here. So say hello to this hello world and just delete it. So yes, we don't have anything, and we will change this constant layout to relative layout first. Yes, and add a list view that we needed. List view, we will match parent the width and wrap content the height. We will give the ID to the list view, that is list view, and that's it. We don't need anything extra. So let's go to main activity.java and create the reference of that list view. List view, import this, find view by id, r.id. What is my id? List view. So yes, our reference is created. Now we have to populate our data in our list view. So let's create an array list of string, just simple list of string, list, import that also, new array list. So we will add some data in this list, list.add, anything you can add. I am adding the fruits name. So I have 4 items in my list: apple, orange, banana and grapes. So I have declared the data, and I will populate this data in my list view. For that we need array adapter. So let's create that adapter. Array adapter, new array adapter. Let's see what does it takes as a parameter. Context, then layout, then list. That's it. For context, get application context. Layout, we have default layout android.r.layout.simple list item 1. So we have default layout, that is simple list item 1, and the data we want to populate, that is list. So yes, we have created an adapter. Now we have to link this adapter to list view. That's it, list view dot set adapter. So we have a method of list view set adapter, that is array adapter. That's it. Let's run the application and test. So one eternity later, my application is running successfully, and I can see my list: apple, orange, banana and grapes. We have not set any on click on that, so it will not work for now. Let's do that. So to set on click listener, you need to set to list view dot set on item click listener. So click on item click listener, new on item click listener, enter. So we have the method on item click over here. In this way we can get the item. So we have the position over here. With the help of position we can get the position of the clicked item. Let's test that. If position equals to 0, that means someone has clicked on apple. Else if position equals to 1, orange, So in this way you can check the item clicked. You can use switch case also. I am just checking for apple and orange for now, else anything. So I will create a new activity. Let's go to app, new activity, empty activity. I will give the name apple activity and click on finish. And also another activity that will be my orange activity. So now I will go to activity apple.xml and I will write something, hello world maybe, text view, and I will add the text apple. I'll change this constant layout to relative layout. So we have apple over here. I can center it also, center in parent true, so it will be there. And we can do same in orange activity, a relative layout. I'll copy the same text. And this is our orange activity, so I will write orange over here. Now we'll go to main activity, on item clicked on apple. When a user click on apple, so we will open the apple activity. For that, start activity, new intent. We have to pass the two classes, that is first one is main activity dot this. From main activity we are going to apple activity dot class. That's it. It will open the apple activity for us. I will copy this. If the position is 1, that means if we click on orange, I will open orange activity. You can also check for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything you want. So let's run it and test. So our application is launched, and when I click on apple, it should open the apple activity. Yes, it opened. I click back, I click on orange, it is the orange activity. So yes, we haven't decided anything for banana and grapes, so it is working fine. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below. I will put this project in GitHub and share the link in the description box. Please hit the subscribe button before going. See you in the next video. Bye bye.